Are you tired of swiping endlessly and still getting no matches or ghosted after a few messages? If so, you're probably making one of these critical mistakes. They're killing your chances online. The worst part? You don't even realize you're making them. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it, so you can start getting more matches, better conversations, and actual dates. What we'll cover today: the biggest turnoffs that make women swipe left instantly, the hidden profile killers you don't even notice, texting traps that turn her off before you even meet, and how to fix these mistakes today and start winning online dating. Mistake number 1: a boring Oregon try-hard bio. Most guys write bios that are either too basic, too generic, or way too try-hard. Example of a bad bio: I like to work out, love my dog, and looking for a fun girl. Just ask me anything. Fluent in sarcasm. 6 feet 1 inch, because apparently that matters. Instead of telling her you're interesting, show her. Winning bio formula. Start with a hook. I once accidentally entered a salsa dance competition and somehow won. Show personality. Fluent in 3 languages: English, sarcasm, and movie quotes. Include a conversation starter. If you can guess my go-to karaoke song, I owe you a drink. Make her smile while reading your bio. That emotional response makes her want to swipe right. Mistake number 2: low-effort photos. Using blurry, low-quality selfies or group photos where she doesn't even know which one is you. Posting shirtless gym pics, unless you're on a beach. Zero variety. Every pic is the same angle, same pose. High-quality photos only. Natural lighting is your best friend. Mix it up. A full body shot, a fun activity, a pet pic, and a sharp outfit pic. Facial expressions matter. Studies show a genuine smile is 10x more attractive than a serious, tough guy face. Women are drawn to guys who look fun, confident, and engaging. Show that in your photos. Mistake number 3: cringe first messages. Saying hey or what's up. Boring. Asking generic questions like how's your day. Snooze fest. Overly aggressive pickup lines that come off as desperate. Use context from her profile. If she has a pic of her at a concert, say, okay, serious question, top 3 artists you'd sell a kidney to see live? Make it fun, lighthearted, and easy to respond to. A great opener is like a movie trailer. It sparks curiosity and makes her want to know more. Mistake number 4: needy texting habits. Responding way too fast makes you seem desperate. Asking too many questions like an interview. Being too available. Women are attracted to a guy with his own life. Match her energy. If she takes hours to reply, you don't need to respond in 2 seconds. Use playful banter instead of constant questions. Give her space to invest in the convo too. Attraction builds in mystery and anticipation. Don't always be too available. Final fix: level up your online dating game. Recap: fix your bio. Make it interesting and fun. Upgrade your photos. High quality, engaging, and diverse. Send better openers. No more hey or what's up. Stop needy texting habits. Confidence, desperation. Action step: drop your current bio in the comments, and I'll review and give feedback. Try my message strategy tonight and tell me how it goes. Like and subscribe for more high-value dating content.